Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to introduce you to this advanced multilingual trading platform where you can trade forex, synthetic stocks and indices, and also cryptocurrencies, right? So this is a very advanced trading platform, okay, where users take premium package, and also initiate payment using multiple payment gateway. Okay, so you'll be able to buy and sell in this platform. You place a trade, you buy, you sell, and also it comes with features like referral commissions whenever you share your referral links to users, and bulk SMS support tickets that fit all kind of devices, right? So you get to receive mails whenever a user take a trade or initiate any payment, just like this. If you place or choose a particular plan, you get notifications, email notifications on it. When you make deposits, you get all the notifications, right? So this is a very responsive trading platform with awesome features, okay, advanced features. So stay with me. That's let me guide you how to go about this. And aside from that too, it also has an awesome awesome feature like you can be able to create NFTs, and you get to view your NFTs collections too. So that's really cool. That's really cool. This is an advanced trading platform. So let's quickly take a look. You can see this is what the homepage of the site looks like. This is what the homepage of the site looks like. So when you click on the get started button, you'll be able to sign up for an account, which is the first thing that you're meant to do. But let me quickly log out. Okay, let me quickly log out. So you can see I've successfully logged out. So when I click on get started, my site is kind of slow, but when you click on get started, it will take us to the registration platform where we can create an account. Okay, it's coming up just when my network is slow. Alright, so this is the register section. When you click on get started, you'll be able to sign up for an account. Okay, so once you have successfully signed up for your account, on this section you get to select the account type. You do that, you select the kind of account type and your capital and the rest of them. You agree to terms and conditions, right? So when you click on sign in, I already have an account. So when I click on sign in, it will take you to the login section where you get to enter your login details, right? Which is this. So what you're expected to do is to log in with your username and password. Okay, so I already have my login details. This is it, and I can put in my password, which I've already done. Okay, so I've successfully signed into my account. Okay, so when you sign in, you get to see how awesome this is. This is the account overview. Okay, this is where you get to see the capital, your accumulating balance, the trade status, amount of trade won and your loss. You also get to see the plan where you're currently running on. Okay, the package where you're currently on. You get to see that. You also get to see profits made from the platform, and you can also see this is the trading chart. This is really awesome. You can see what the trading view looks like. Okay, you get to also down here you get to see your referral links, so you can copy this referral link and send to your referrals. So when you do that, you get commission whenever you do such. Okay, so on the right section you get to see the trade where you get to place a trade. Okay, let's say you want to go with a demo account or a rare account. Let's say we want to go with a demo account. Okay, you select the market kind of let's say you want to trade cryptocurrency or stock, and the rest of them. Let's say you want to trade stock. When you select that, you come down to this section. You can see different pairs. You can trade USDT to BTC and the rest of them. Let's say you want to trade USDT to BTC. Okay, you select the minutes. Let's say you want this trade to run for like 2 minutes, and then let's say you want to buy. But down here you have to select the trading amount. Let's say you want to trade with $100. Sorry. So when you click on buy, you see our trading. Oh, you can see we lost that trade, right? So you can see that's really awesome. That's really awesome. So that's how to place a trade. And also when you come down to this market section, you get to also see the market overview. You can see this is the market overview for cryptocurrencies, and down this side is more like what's it called, an overview for foreign exchanges. That is where you get the overview. So that's really awesome. So when you also come to the deposit section, you get to make deposits. Okay, let's say you want to initiate a deposit, you select choose asset. Let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin, place the amount. Let's say you want to deposit $50,000 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, when you click on make deposit, you can see you'll be given the Bitcoin order number and also the Bitcoin wallet address, which is this. So what you do is you copy this and click on confirm. Okay, when you click on confirm, it means that you have made payments for it. Okay, so the admin gets to get this notification that you have placed a deposit on their platform, right? So later on I will log into the admin dashboard so we can view this particular deposit that we just placed. Okay, so that's it. When you come down to fund transfer, you can be able to transfer fund maybe from your profit to your capital account. Okay, you can also transfer fund from bonus to capital. So that's really awesome. That's an awesome feature. So let's say once you also make a withdrawal. Okay, select balance type. Let's say okay, you can see in our capital balance, this is what we have. We have nothing in our profits, we have nothing in our bonus balance. So let's say you want to place a withdrawal of you can also choose another thing is selecting your withdrawal method. Let's say once we withdraw via Bitcoin. Okay, you can see we also have other withdrawal method. You can also withdraw directly to your paper or coin cash app, right? So that's really awesome. So what you do here is you place your Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, let's say this is a Bitcoin wallet address. You put in the amounts you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw 100,000. Okay, sorry, that's $10,000. So when you click on proceed, proceed, you submit your withdrawal pin. Okay, this should be the default. This should be the default withdrawal pin. So you can see your withdrawal of 10,000 has been processed. That's really awesome. So when you come down to the history section, you get to see all the notification or let's say any transaction that you initiated. This way you get to see it. Okay, just like the withdrawal that we just placed, 10,000. Hope you can see that. Okay, you can see that here. You can see that right here. So that's really cool. So also when you come down to packages, the packages section, this is where you select any kind of package that you like to key into. You can see the the amount it costs. So for this package, what you can deposit for this package is $500 to 5,000 now 4,900 something dollars, and that's the maximum from minimum to maximum. And this is the what in BTC. When you get to see the weekly interest, you get 10% weekly interest when you're on this plan. Okay, also for the investment sum, this is what you're gonna cost. So take your time, go through it. The plan that suits you, go ahead and click on choose plan. Let's say you want to go with this plan. When you click on choose plan, you're being asked if you wish to continue. You click on yeah, you can see your crypto plans purchase was successful. That's really awesome. Well, when you also come down to this section, you also get the notification. And the awesome part of it is that when you come down to your when you come to your email, you get notification whenever you select any plan. Just like this, you can see the plan that we just choose. We just got the notification that you can see your pending package purchase is being processed. You'll be notified when your purchase is active. Okay, so don't worry, that long we will log into the admin so we can be able to approve all these plans that we are initiating. Okay, so that's really cool. That's really cool. So back to our um, package. We have talked about package. The KYC section, here you get to do your KYC. When you click on get started, you're being asked to, you can start your KYC verification, put in your information, your date of birth and the rest of them. So later on, you take your time, you go through this. Okay, so when you come down to settings, you also get to you can update these settings, update your information, update your phone number, your gender. Okay, you get to update these features. The avatar section, you can upload your profile picture on this section. For the security section, you can change your password and do all sort of stuffs here. Okay, so for the account number, you can also update your account number, your account name. This is where you set up your payment method informations, right? So once you've done doing this, you click on update. That's really awesome. So let me quickly take you to the admin dashboard. This is actually what the admin dashboard looks like. This is what the admin dashboard looks like. That's really awesome. Okay, then later on I will show you how to log into admin dashboard. The admin dashboard also has his own trading view and the rest of them. Okay, but when you come down to when you click on this section, when you click on dashboard, you get to see where that's loading up. Let me just sign out. Let me log into my admin dashboard. Admin, yeah, that's it. I'll put that right here. Awesome. So you can see that this is the admin dashboard. Okay, so when you click on the dashboard section, sorry, you get to see these awesome features. This way the admin can manage the activities both from the user end and the admin end, right? So this is really awesome. So when you come down to the dashboard, you can see on the dashboard section, the admin get to see any activities that is being performed on the site. Just like when we selected a plan, the admin have to approve this plan, right? So the admin can choose to delete this plan, and or the admin can also choose to activate, right? So I will show you how you can do that. On the fund account section, the admin can fund a user account. Okay, he can, what he do is he select the account. Let's say this is our account, right? So when you click on new balance, the admin can say, let me fund this account with let's say $200,000. Okay, then new balance adds. Okay, let's say one Ethereum, or let's say 10 Ethereum. Then click on fund. You can see the balance has been updated. Okay, then you can see the balance has been updated. So that's for it. When the admin comes down to fund profits, the admin can also fund the user profit account. Let's say this the user wants to fund the account. That's our account that we already created. We can say fund this user with $50,000, and also for the new bonus we can say let's say $500 for the bonus. Then click on fund. You can see profits updated successfully. Okay, so when you come down to create NFTs, the admin can create an NFT. Just take your time, put in the name of the NFT, put in the Ethereum, upload the NFT image, and click on create. You can add some other descriptions. Let me quickly show you an example. You can see this one we have already created before. So when you click on this section, the admin can be able to edit all these informations, right? So this is where you take your time, you go through and do that on your own when you're cool. So on the approve package section, this is where the admin also get to approve the package, right? Just like this, when we selected the 200,000 naira package, Okay, the admin can approve this. So what you do here is just click on approve. Just click on approve. You can see package status approved. This is really awesome. And just like the way this package has been approved, you get to notify the mail, like you'll be notified through your email. Sorry, you can see your package request has been approved. This is really awesome, very responsive. Okay, so it's very responsive. Okay, so that's for it. That's for it. When you come down to the package panel, this is where the admin can edit the package informations. When you click on edit, you can change the package name, the package minimum amount to invest, and the package maximum amount, right? And also the interest of choosing any package. This is really awesome. Okay, this is where you get to do all this awesome edits configuration there. So on the approve deposit section, the admin also get to approve any approved deposit. Yes, any deposit that is being placed. This is where the admin gets to do that. Just like when we place a deposit, a $10,000 deposit, the admin can approve this right here. Just click on approve. You can see the transaction status has been approved. Okay, same when you come down to the profit section. Okay, the admin can also select a user and add a profit amount, maybe daily, all those kind of stuff. Okay, so when you come down to the trade count, remember we place a trade. This is it. Okay, or $100 trade. So when a trade is being placed, the admin can be able to award the user if he actually won or lost that trade. So if let's say he won the trade, what the admin have to do here is let's say just you can place one. A one trade is being won, loss zero, he can put in 0. Okay, the trade status, he can be able to say 1, and let's say loss, let's go with loss. Then you put 0 here and put 1. Sorry. Then select the trade status, let's say loss, then put in the transaction ID. When you click on this, you can see the trade counts updated successfully. Awesome. Later on we will log into the user end to see all this awesome setup we are doing. So for the profits in history, this is where the admin can also update the profits history, right? So for the deposit history, all the deposit that has been placed, this way the admin can choose to approve. Just like this deposit that was placed here, the admin can choose to approve this. Okay, so that's it. When it comes down to the withdrawal history, this way the admin gets the withdrawal history informations. You can print all this. You can print this current page. Okay, you can see when we place a withdrawal and that letter approved it, you can see this is the amounts, this is the transaction informations. So that's for it. Okay, when it comes to KYC, this way the admin can also see people that place a KYC on their, probably people that have done their KYC. This way the admin get to see that. Okay, that's really awesome. So same to when it comes down to send mail, the admin get to send mail to the users. Type in the message, and send this mail to the users. That's for it. When it comes down to account information, on the account information section, this is where the admin can select a user account. Maybe after a user is done creating an account, the admin have to approve or activate the user account. So this is where you do that. Okay, you select the user and select if you actually want to suspend the user, or you let's say you want to activate a user. This way you get to do all these configurations. Okay, if you want to play this account, let's say to be inactive, this way you get to do that. Okay, so you take your time and go through all this. Same thing when you come down to your website settings. On the website settings, this is where you get to do. Don't forget, after you're done, getting this particular software that was used in developing this site, when you come down to your website information, you get to put in your website name, edit this to your website name. Okay, same for the website email. You can go ahead and create an email account on your cPanel. Okay, and put in the correct email in this section. So when you start sending mails to your users, so they can be able to verify the account and do all sort of stuff. Okay, so because when you don't do the necessary configuration, you might not be receiving mails and some other informations. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the admin email, you got to do that here, right? So same thing for the Bitcoin address. You can put in your Bitcoin, the collect Bitcoin wallet address on this section. Okay, same thing for the Ethereum USDT, and you can also set up the withdrawal pin. This is the withdrawal pin. If actually you notice, when I place a withdrawal on our user account, this is the pin that I use, 123. Okay, you can also choose to change this. And as for the TDO link, when you create your TDO account, you also configure this here. You copy the right TDO link from your account and place that right here. Okay, for the Bitcoin QR code, you get to do that here. Okay, so just take your time, go through this, do the necessary configurations. You also get to put your website logo on this section. Okay, let's say want to use which logo do you want to use now. Which logo are we going to use now? Let's say want to use this for our site logo, right? Just put in that and click on update. Alright, you can see our logo has automatically changed. That's really awesome. Okay, that's really awesome. So same way when you come to suspend stroke activate, this is where you get to suspend a user or activate the user, right? Let's say you want this user now, you can choose to suspend it or activate, but I don't want to do that right now. So that's for it. So back to our user account. Let's quickly sign out so we can log into our user account to see if all what we did actually worked out. Okay, let me quickly log in. I'm putting my password. Then click on login. Awesome. This is really awesome. So this is really awesome. You can see the total loss 1. When you remember when we did the configurations on the admin user end, that's to tell you even both the approval, all these things has reflected on this account. Okay, so that's really awesome. That's really awesome. This is really awesome. Okay, that's really awesome. So just take your time. You go through this, you do the necessary configurations and the rest of them, right? So back to our site. Back to our site. This is the home page of our site. Let's say you want to do some settings, just like you can see our site logo also change. That's really awesome. So just take your time. You take your time and go through this. Okay, so this is how you get it done. So how do you get to set up this account? As usual, the first thing you need to do is get your domain name and hosting. As usual, I normally recommend Namecheap. Okay, if you want to get your domain name and hosting, just go to your browser and type in namecheap.com. This is what the homepage looks like. Okay, so what you do is just quickly come down to this section and type what's it called? Just type, let's say I want to use FX signals .fs. Let's say you want to use this for a domain name. I'm not sure it will be available though. But let's see. you can see this name is not available or invalid. Let me use .org. You can choose .com, .org, anyone that you want to use, but this has been taken. So what is actually available is this, and it's very expensive. So let's choose another name, or let's edit this to alright, this is available. This is available. So what you do is you click on add to cart. Once you have added that to cart, come down to the hosting section, select shared hosting. Okay, so you can choose any of this hosting plan. Okay, you can choose if you want it monthly, yearly, or 2 years. You can choose that right here. You can start with the first one. That's not bad. Okay, so once that has been done, you can see I don't need this. What we selected was only this, so later on I will get rid of that. Okay, so go ahead and click on okay, shared hosting and the rest of them. What you then do is click on create to cart. But before then let me remove this. Alright, so when you click on add to cart, this is what you get to see. You can see this is the domain name we selected, and this is also the hosting plan. This is the hosting plan that we selected too. Okay, so when you click on confirm order, you'll be taken to a section where you have to add your card details and whatnot. Once you have successfully added those informations, your payment will be successful, and you get a mail where Namecheap will give you your SIPAN information. It comes with a URL link, the username, and also the password. So when you log in, this is what the homepage of the site looks like. Wait, let me quickly kill that right here. Okay, I think my login link has expired, so let me quickly log into my Namecheap. Actually, you can log into your Namecheap from your what's it called, from your user dashboard, right? You can log into your Namecheap. So I'll just click on go to my cPanel. You can do that from your Namecheap account. Okay, so this is the cPanel. This is what the homepage of the cPanel looks like. So what you then do is just click on your file manager. On your file manager, go straight to your public underscore HTML. This is it. So the software that I'm going to give you, upload directly on your public underscore HTML. Please don't forget. But this I already have. I've already created a subdomain where I want to upload my software, right? So I will just use the subdomain. So I'll click on it and click on upload. Okay, so I will select what's the name of, let me quickly select the name of the file. Let me quickly search for that, or let me just quickly locate to the folder where it is. Alright, this is it. Trader, this is the software. So don't worry, I will give you access to this software by the end of the video. You can see our software is loading up. So I'm going to pause this, or let's quickly go ahead and create a database as that particular stuff is loading up. So to create a database, just come down to your search for SQL. Okay, then click on setup SQL. What name are we going to use for our database? Let's use the name, let's say Allight. Let's use Allight. Let's say we want to use this for our database name. For the database username, let's use the same Allight. For the password, I think I already have a password I want to use, so I'll copy this right here. I'll paste that right here, and also paste that right here. Meanwhile, you can also use this password generator to generate your password. Then you click on create user. You can see we use the same information for our username and for our database user and user database name. So copy this, highlight and copy this information because we're gonna need this. Don't forget. we're gonna need this. Let me paste that right here. Right, so select all privileges, then click on next step. You can see we have successfully created our database name. So what you then do is come down to this section, search for PHP admin. This is PHP admin. Alright, so you can see this database name that we created. You select this, you select the database name, then click on import. You want to import the SQL file of the database. So choose file, come down to downloads. Let's search for the database name. This is the database name. This is right here. Then click on open. Okay. So what you then do is you click on import. Awesome. You can see we have imported our database informations, right? So you can see that right here. So let's go back to our file. Let's see if our file, okay, it's still in 68. It's still loading up. So let me pause this. Awesome. So you can see we have successfully uploaded our software, right? So make sure this turns green before you click on back. Let's go back. So this is the software. So you extract this. Okay, you extract, click on extract files. Okay, once this has been done, you can go ahead to delete this. Okay, then you open this file, you select all these files and move directly to your public underscore HTML. Okay, but I'll be moving it to my subdomain which I already created. So I did that folder name, then click on move files. Okay, so when I come down to my subdomain, you can see what we have. This is really awesome. So you can see this is the database SQL file. Please make sure you download this. Right click and download, and also download this. Also download the readme file. Okay, the readme file contains the admin logins, how to set it up, how to set up the site. Okay, you can see the informations. So make sure you download this information. Alright, so do those configurations, make sure you do that. So the next thing you want to do is to come down to just click on go back. Okay, let's go back to our subdomain. Yeah, this is our subdomain. So open this admin, the admin section, sorry, not admin. Come to your database. Yeah, this is the database, the connect.php. Right click and edit this. Let's quickly configure our database information that we created. So let's go back to our readme file. This is the database username. So copy this and place that right here. You place that right here. Okay, for the database name, you also place the same. We use the same information for both the username and database name. So you also place that right here. For the password, let's quickly select the password. This is the password that I use while doing the registration. So I'll copy that right here. I'll copy that right here and paste that here. Alright, you can see I've been able to do that, so I will go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, I'll click on save changes. Okay, so let me quickly go to this section, but let's go ahead and load up our site. Let's quickly load up our site to see if we have been able to do the proper configurations on our site. Awesome, you can see our site is loading up. This is really awesome. So if you do the configuration properly, you won't have any issues. Okay, you can see our site, we have been able to load up our site successfully. This is really awesome. Okay, so this is really nice. You can see how beautiful the site looks like. So when you click on the login section, you can be able to log in to your account. But if you want to log into the admin section, it's also from this login section. Okay, so what you do is put in the admin email. This is the admin email, and this is the password. Where is it? This is the admin password. You copy that right here. You put that here. Okay, so when you click on login, it will take you straight to the admin dashboard. This is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. So aside from that, let me also quickly show you how to edit the information on this site. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so if you want to, let's say you want to edit this information now. Let's say you want to edit the trading platform to let's say you want to edit that and put that right, put this information right here. So what you do is copy this, then go back to your folder. On your folder, go straight to index.php, or where is it? Oh, sorry, index.html. Sorry. So what you do is you edit this. This is how you edit text on the website. Okay, so just click on Ctrl F. On the Ctrl F, let's say you want to edit, you type in the name you want to edit, or let's come down right here. Let's see if you see that. Sorry, let's close this. Let me quickly look for something. Okay. Okay, let me go back to our site. This is our site. Okay, the trading platform. Or let's copy this. Let's use this to trace it. Let's use this instead to trace that. Okay, so come back to our site, then search for on index.php. Okay, you can see the title name. You can edit this title name. Okay, you can change the title name to the name that you want to use for it. Okay, so that's it. Same way, if you want to change the logo of the website, you can see you can change this from the admin section, just like I did last time. Okay, so it's very easy to do. It's very easy. Okay, so if you really want to get the software that was used in developing this site, just chat the number displaying on your screen. Okay, that's my WhatsApp number. Chat me on the number displaying on the screen, or you also click on the link in below this video. There's a link in the description box. You can also get access to this link and be able to get this site. You can see how advanced and beautiful the site is, and you can be able to get it, Abby. So this is really awesome. Okay, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop awesome content like this. Okay, if you also have any questions, you can drop that on the comment section. I'll be there to attend your questions. Okay, so if you need any kind of script or any kind of software, you can chat me up on my WhatsApp number. We can relate, or you want me to develop this for you, or any kind of sites that you want, just hit me up on my WhatsApp number. It's in the description box below too, so we can communicate more and have more other business to do. So thank you for staying tuned, and watch out for our next video. Thank you.